Everyone, so in our previous class we checked there is a issue, we are unable to communicate from this PC to that PC. Example, here I get 10.11 and here I have 40.11. so let me check 40.11 I can ping or not. There is a issue in the packet tracer 192.168.40.11 and it is not working. Okay, we are getting like these types of issue. After that, what I done, I reload all the router whatever present in the, what we can say, in this lab. After that it start working. So I am reloading this one, I am reloading this one, and also I am reloading all the router whatever I have here. After that you will have, it will work. So I will show you, because I already tested it is working when we reload the router. So here I will say reload, okay, and then I will go here and I will write here reload, and then we can wait for some time, or you can do fast forward, then after that we can check it will work. And here we can check, we will have the root also. So we will see, we can do fast forward and still I think here same problem. So let's see what is the issue. Yesterday it is working, after that I tested. So let me check, maybe we have any issue here. So this is the router 3. I write here show IP root, and here I am not getting any roots. And if I go here in the router, another router, if I write here show IP root, here I am getting the root. OSPF will take some time also. So once we configure, we need to wait for some time. Here it is not working. So I can check the configuration what is present in this router 3. So here if you see, this is the router 3. If we go to this interface, here we need to enable the OSPF, this F0x0 area 1 we are using, and this is the interface which we are connecting below. So in this one I enable OSPF for the sub interface, and I have another sub interface I enable the OSPF here also. So it should work, but let's see why it is not working. And let me go here and check here also. I can write here show IP root. Here I am getting the root 12 dot I am getting the root here 12 dot something, this one, and then 13 dot something, this one I am getting here. I am not getting these roots. So this R3 router information we are not getting. So I will check, I will do troubleshooting IP protocol, and we can check here router ID is 13.2 here in this router. And here what is the router ID, we can check show IP protocol, here 13.1, here is 13.1, here what we have here is 13.2. so no, router is ID is also not same. So it should form, but we check, we will see why it is giving the issue. Here router ID is 12.2 and here router ID is show IP protocol, here is 24.2. so everything look good. Some issue here in this router. So configuration already we done, the roots are not going from here. So I will write here, let me check again, show IP root OSPF. We are not getting anything from the OSPF. So let me configure, or let me check here. I will write here show run section OSPF. Here if you see, I have OSPF area 0 and area 1. Better I will write show run to check all the thing. If you see, this is the DSCP we have, and here this interface is configured for area 1, okay, and this interface, okay. Here is the problem, here we have area 0, it should be area 1, not the area 0. If we are using area 0 here, I need to do virtual link from here to here, then it will start working. Yesterday I removed this one, area 0. We should have area 1, whatever area we are using, we should use the same area here also. Maybe I forget to save the configuration. Now let me do again. I will write interface F0x1-10, and here I will write IP OSPF 1 area 1, okay, and then I will write interface F0-1.20 IP OSPF 1 area 1. Now I can recheck again. I will write show run and we will check here again. I will write here interface this one IP OSPF 1 area 1, and then here also IP OSPF 1 area 1. So here we have good, everything is good here. Now I can check. I can save the configuration and we should check. Now we should have the root. So still it is not coming. I can write clear IP OSPF process and I can reset this process. After that I can check. We should have the root here, and let's see. Now we are having the neighborship, and if I write IP root IP OSPF neighbor, we have the neighbor. Show IP root. In the routing table we are not getting the root. So let's see here also. Maybe I do some misconfiguration or anything. I will write here show run and we will check here. If you see this interface E0/0, we have IP OSPF 1. This one is good, and this interface IP OSPF 0. So this one is good, no problem here. If I write show IP root here, we are getting the root from this side. 20 we are getting, okay, 20 and 10, these roots we are getting from VLAN 10 and 20. This one is coming here. If you see, I can write show IP root OSPF. So here we are getting VLAN 10, VLAN 20, 24, VLAN 10, 20, 12 we are not getting 12 because they are directly connected. This one R1. So we are getting 10, 20 we are getting, and 24 we are getting, 30, 40 is getting here. So everything is coming to the R1. So here also we should get, let's see, here we are not getting. So let me reload the router, because sometime in the packet tracer I feel some issue. When we reload, then it will start working. So we can wait and check, or you can do the fast forward, so it will reload very quickly and then we can check. So I will go here, I will write show IP root. Now we are getting the root. See what is the issue? I reload the router, then you are getting the root here. So we have some issue also, just you need to reload. So you are getting all the roots, so you should ping from this side to this side. 40.11 you need to ping. You should ping from here now, because you are receiving the root now. So let's see it will work or not, and see it is working. I think request timeout. After that it should work. Let's see. Still request. Yeah, see now it is working. My lab is also working. Before we have issue. Here we have area 0. Now I corrected, and also I save the configuration and I reload the router. Because of the router issue, it is having some issue, so I reload, then it is start working. Okay, so what else we can do now? We can say like